Are you tired of working hard every day and still not having enough money? Imagine making money while you sleep. That's what passive income can do for you. In 2024, there are many great opportunities to earn passive income through cash-flowing assets. These are investments that put money in your pocket regularly without much effort on your part. Whether you're new to investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, this video will show you 10 of the best cash-flowing assets for this year. From real estate and stocks to online businesses and royalties, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to discover how you can start building a steady stream of income and achieve financial freedom. Let's dive in. Number 1. Real estate investments. Real estate is one of the best ways to earn passive income. There are two main types of real estate investments you should know about. Rental properties. Owning rental properties means buying houses, apartments, or commercial buildings and renting them out to tenants. The rent you collect each month becomes your passive income. Here are some tips for choosing good rental properties. Location. Pick areas with high demand for rentals, like near schools or business districts. Condition. Choose properties that need little maintenance to save on repair costs. Management. Consider hiring a property management company to handle day-to-day tasks, making it more passive for you. Rental properties can provide a steady income and may increase in value over time, giving you more profit when you decide to sell. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. You can buy shares of REITs just like you buy stocks. Here's why REITs are great for passive income. Easy access. You can start investing with a small amount of money. Diversification. REITs often own a variety of properties, spreading out your risk. Regular dividends. REITs must pay at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, meaning you get regular payments. Investing in REITs is a simple way to get into real estate without the hassle of managing properties yourself. Both rental properties and REITs offer excellent opportunities for passive income in 2024. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a great way to earn passive income by investing in companies that pay you regularly just for holding their shares. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute part of their profits to shareholders as dividends. These payments are usually made quarterly, providing a steady income stream. Why dividend stocks are attractive. Regular income. You receive payments regularly, adding to your passive income. Stability. Many dividend-paying companies are well-established and financially stable. Growth potential. Besides dividends, the stock price can increase over time, giving you more value. To choose the best dividend stocks, consider these factors. Dividend yield. This is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock price. Look for stocks with a good yield, but be cautious of yields that seem too high, as they may not be sustainable. Payout ratio. This is the percentage of earnings paid as dividends. A lower payout ratio means the company has room to grow and continue paying dividends. Company health. Research the company's financial health and history of dividend payments. Consistent dividend payments and a strong balance sheet are good signs. Examples of strong dividend-paying companies for 2024 include Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble. Investing in dividend stocks can help you build a reliable stream of passive income. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending is a modern way to earn passive income by lending money directly to people or small businesses online. Here's how it works and why it's a good option. P2P lending platforms connect borrowers with lenders. As a lender, you provide loans to borrowers and earn interest on the money you lend. The interest payments become your passive income. Why P2P lending is attractive. High returns. P2P lending often offers higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts or CDs. Diversification. You can spread your investment across many loans, reducing your risk. Control. You can choose which loans to invest in based on the borrower's profile and creditworthiness. Platforms and strategies. To start with P2P lending, you need to sign up on a reliable platform. Some popular P2P lending platforms include Lending Club, Prosper, and Funding Circle. Here are some tips for success. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one loan. Spread it across many loans to minimize risk. Research. Look into the borrower's credit history, loan purpose, and other details before lending. Start small. Begin with a small amount to understand how the platform works and to see how your investments perform. By carefully selecting loans and diversifying your investments, P2P lending can become a valuable source of passive income in 2024. Number 4. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, are safe ways to earn passive income with little risk. These accounts offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts. Here's why they're great. Easy access. You can deposit and withdraw money easily. Safety. Your money is insured by the FDIC up to $250,000. Steady growth. Interest is added to your account regularly, growing your savings. When choosing a high-yield savings account, look for the highest interest rate and no monthly fees. Some popular options include Ally Bank and Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Certificates of deposit, CDs, lock your money for a set period, like 6 months or 5 years, and pay a fixed interest rate. Here's why CDs are beneficial. Higher interest rates. They usually offer higher rates than savings accounts. Safety. Also FDIC insured, protecting your investment. When selecting CDs, compare interest rates and terms to find the best fit. Both high-yield savings accounts and CDs provide a secure way to earn passive income in 2024. Number 5. Crowdfunded real estate. Crowdfunded real estate lets you invest in properties with a small amount of money. Here's how it works and why it's a good choice for passive income. Crowdfunding platforms pool money from many investors to buy real estate properties. You own a share of the property and earn a portion of the rental income and profits from property sales. Benefits of crowdfunded real estate. Accessibility. You can start investing with a small amount of money. Diversification. Spread your investment across different properties to reduce risk. Passive income. Earn regular income from rent without managing the properties yourself. Choose a reputable platform like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or CrowdStreet. Research each platform's projects, fees, and past performance before investing. Crowdfunded real estate is an easy way to get into the property market and earn passive income without the hassle of direct ownership. Number 6. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce and dropshipping are great ways to earn passive income by selling products online without keeping inventory. Setting up an e-commerce store. Creating an online store is easier than ever with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Here's how it works. Choose a niche. Pick a product category you're interested in and research market demand. Set up your store. Use an e-commerce platform to create your store. Design it, and list your products. Automate sales. Use tools to automate order processing, payment, and shipping. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Here's how it works. Select suppliers. Partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. List products. Add their products to your online store. Process orders. When a customer orders, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Why e-commerce and dropshipping are attractive. Low startup costs. No need to buy inventory upfront. Flexibility. Manage your business from anywhere. Automation. Use tools and software to handle most tasks, making it more passive. You can build a source of passive income and grow your business over time. Be wise setting up an e-commerce store and using dropshipping. Number 7. Digital products and online courses. Selling digital products and creating online courses are excellent ways to earn passive income. Once created, these can keep making money with minimal effort. Digital products are items like ebooks, printables, software, or music that customers can download. Choose a product. Think about your skills and interests. You could write an ebook, design printable planners, or create software. Create the product. Use tools like Canva for design, Microsoft Word for writing, or app development software. Sell online. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website can help you sell your digital products. Creating online courses. Online courses are in high demand as people look to learn new skills from home. Select a topic. Pick something you're knowledgeable about and that others want to learn. Create the course. Use video, text, and quizzes. Tools like Teachable or Udemy make it easy to build and host courses. Market your course. Promote it through social media, email lists, and collaborations with influencers. Why digital products and online courses are attractive. Scalability. Sell to an unlimited number of customers without extra work. Low overhead. No physical inventory or shipping costs. Passive income. Once created, your products and courses can generate income continuously. By leveraging your skills and knowledge to create digital products and online courses, you can build a reliable source of passive income. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. Affiliate marketing involves signing up for affiliate programs, promoting products through special links, and earning a percentage of each sale made through your link. Why affiliate marketing is attractive. Low cost. No need to create your own products. Flexibility. Promote products that match your interests or niche. Scalability. Potential to earn more as your audience grows. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific area like tech gadgets, fitness gear, or beauty products. This makes it easier to build a loyal audience. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for programs from companies like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. These platforms offer a wide range of products to promote. Create content. Write blog posts, create videos, or post on social media about the products. Provide honest reviews and useful information to encourage people to use your links. Promote your links. Use your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media to share your affiliate links. Make sure to disclose that you earn a commission. Tips for success. Build trust. Only promote products you believe in and have used yourself. Be consistent. Regularly create content and engage with your audience. Track performance. Use analytics to see which products perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Affiliate marketing is a great way to generate passive income by leveraging your online presence and promoting products you love. Number 9. Vending machines and ATMs. Owning vending machines and ATMs can be a simple way to earn passive income. Vending machines sell snacks, drinks, or other items automatically. Here's why they're great. Steady income. They generate money every time someone makes a purchase. Low maintenance. Refill the machines and collect money periodically. Getting started with vending machines. Choose locations. Place machines in busy areas like schools, offices, or malls. Stock wisely. Keep popular and fresh items. Maintain regularly. Ensure machines are working and stocked. ATMs. ATMs charge fees for withdrawals, providing steady income. Here's why they're beneficial. Passive earnings. Earn a fee every time someone uses your ATM. High demand. People always need cash. Find good locations. Place ATMs in high-traffic areas like convenience stores or shopping centers. Monitor and refill. Keep the machine stocked with cash and in good working order. By owning vending machines and ATMs, you can earn a consistent passive income with minimal effort. Number 10. Licensing and royalties. Licensing and earning royalties are fantastic ways to generate passive income from your creative or intellectual property. Licensing intellectual property. Licensing allows others to use your creations, inventions, or brands in exchange for a fee. Types of intellectual property. This includes patents, trademarks, copyrights, and designs. How it works. You grant permission to use your property for a set period and receive payment, either as a lump sum or ongoing royalties. Why licensing is attractive. Passive income. Earn money without actively working on the property. Wide reach. Others can market and distribute your property, expanding its use and value. Earning royalties. Royalties are payments received for the ongoing use of your work. Creative works. This includes books, music, films, and software. Regular payments. Earn a percentage of sales or usage fees over time. Protect your work. Ensure your intellectual property is legally protected with patents, trademarks, or copyrights. Find licensing opportunities. Partner with companies or platforms that can use and distribute your work. Negotiate terms. Agree on terms that include how much you'll be paid and how your property will be used. Examples. Books. Authors earn royalties from book sales. Music. Musicians receive royalties when their songs are played or sold. Inventions. Inventors get paid when their patented products are manufactured and sold. Licensing and royalties can provide a steady stream of passive income, allowing you to profit from your creativity and innovation over time. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.